Hey guys, in this video I discuss how you can make a logo just like BBC, because BBC is the most expensive logo in the world. It costs around 1.8 million. It's damn simple. And now BBC, if you see other famous logos, okay, it's loading, like Google, Canon, then I would say other famous companies like Visa, and all of these companies have simple and minimalistic logo. And there might be some of them because old funky logo which has a concept in it and get them, but these are the bare simple and all. They might have some story associated with it, but yeah, to look for normal people it's a simple logo. So I'm going to teach you how you can make that. So let's dive into it. So lesson number one, I would say, is all these logos have small names. Like all of the logos have small names, because if you're making minimalistic Wordmark logo, you have small name like BBC, Polo, Google's a bit large, but it's a small name indeed. So all of these have small names. So that's the first thing. Okay, sorry the laptop is slow, but yeah. So first thing you need to do, all of these have small name, but I want to make it for a bigger name, like the client I worked with in the first video, like in 2-3 times does with his company's name. Cause I'm not getting any clients, I think we could just follow pixels. So it is loading. In the meanwhile, we'll talk what we need to do. So the company's name is Absdas, and that's a significantly bigger name. So I'm gonna try to condense it, put it somewhere so it's easy to read. So basically, these companies, like the BBC logo has some shape in it. I'd say the Polo logo, bit simple, but yeah. So first you need to go into shape. I would like to do this in Illustrator, but since I don't have Illustrator right on this laptop, so I need to do it in Photoshop. I think it's gonna be a bit hard, but yeah, what could we do to like make some good shape right there? Okay, this looks decent enough, I think. So this looks good. Okay, so how does this look? You could do any shape. I'm not an expert or anything in all of this stuff. Just trying and make something just to work it out. Now this triangle is looking good, but this isn't giving it wow feeling, and it's a bit not good from right here. So I'll do it again. This time I'm more clear, like crystal clear. Okay, now sorry for that. So to make a bit crystal clear so it's all of the edges sharp, this would be a hell lot easy in Illustrator, but since we don't have it on this laptop, we need to go on with this. Sorry for that. Okay, that's a bit not something done. What the hell am I going? Get the paint tool right there. So usually you can just take the bucket and fill it, but yeah, in these small areas you will require the paint tool, which is not currently working, and the laptop is a bit slow. Really sorry you have to wait. I suggest you watch the video in 2x speed or 1.5 at least, so you don't waste time and you can get all this, grasp all this knowledge quickly. So it's done now. I don't know why it's looking so slow right there. I by mistake left it on the entire night, so it was just sitting on right there. so that could be a reason. Other than that, I don't know what happened. Okay, I'm also gonna go in this script right there, and this is Havana font. In my one video, I've told you can get cool fonts for absolutely free. So if you haven't watched that video, go ahead. And it's not actually a video dedicated to fonts, but here's my logo. I think. Okay, why did this change? Okay, this has to be a bit big. Okay, this isn't looking that good, but I'll just show you how this works. I'm going to scroll it down. This one right here. Okay. So now I'll just click here, Ctrl+C, and change the color to white. I think so. Yep, it's white. Get the move to stamps. Okay, I'm just gonna use the keyboard tool to just move it around. Just do Ctrl+T so you know where it is. It's right here. Now, I don't have the Ctrl+T. Shift will make it bigger, better. Okay, so one is gonna be right here. Other one is just placed here. Now I'm just gonna go blending options. You could give it a color overlay, or just click on this font, select and change the color. I showed you I could do just change the color. I'm showing you color overlay because many of the viewers are new users for Photoshop and all. They want to learn new things, so that's why I try to maximize the most. Sorry for that. For a serial cold, and that's like every morning story, like every video I see I sneeze 2 times, I'm sorry, but really sorry. I am not kind of liking this font. I think I'm gonna go with Havana too, but I changed something at least. I just can't pick up the font, right? And then just use it because I don't have the rights for it. Some fonts do allow it, but I don't want to do it because, okay, what size is this? Copy this much, Ctrl+C. Go here, Ctrl+C, enter. So okay, let's select them. Okay, perfect. Let's do back, Ctrl+T, and make this smaller. I'll delete this. Let's delete from there. Let's go and delete this layer. Now I'm going to click on this layer. That's okay. Now I'm going to make Ctrl+T, make this entire thing smaller. Fit it in right here. Now I'm going to make it bigger so it fits in properly. Now keep in mind, some companies this doesn't look some wow logo, but some companies actually like minimalistic logos. So keep in mind that this is not gonna look that awesome to you, but companies like this simple minimalistic logo, and you should do what the companies like because they're the ones paying you the money for. So I think this is gonna be the logo. You could change the color, I think so. Yeah, you can always change the color. I'm sure you can change the color. Okay, so just merge these 2 layers, merge layers, make it smaller, then you can just move it up. I'm actually gonna fill the A's right there. Just change this part, make the brush size a hell lot more smaller. Yeah, perfect. Okay, this is not the exact white shade I wanted. White. Okay, now this is the exact white shade we want. Okay, so we could try it with the D also. So you could do that too. Oh yeah, I'll try it with the D. the B. Just looking a bit bland, I think so now, right now. Or you could even do this. Yeah, I think you should do this. Or you could just make the A also like a bit like that. Like, what do you think? No, it's not good. All this looks decently fine, and I'm copying the font. Now, what I'll do, I'll just duplicate Control plus J. This lets it duplicate it right there. Now, I'm actually gonna blending options, and I'm gonna change the color overlay to, okay, no, first of all just remove the color overlay and make this inside part, I'll make it transparent. Now you won't understand what I'm doing currently, so I'll show you what I'm doing. So you see it's just one layer, so if you do the color overlay you won't find this gap right here. Just make a color. I'm just going to delete this part. It's just the magic wand tool. You can find this is the fourth tool in the toolbar. You just need to select the inside and just press the delete button. Very simple. You could, there are different types of tools right there. You just get this tool right there, the rectangle, click outside the box, it's gone. Control plus J this and then keep it right down so I don't have to move much, right? So I'm going to the background on, so now it's a bit white right there. You can just do blending options and make it something green or red. Color overlay. I'm going to go and give it something like green. So get the green part on. That's two. Okay, I think I need to go with this. Okay, now I'm going to go in here, right click, blending options. You're going to go color overlay and then effect. I'm going to make something like red. So a bright red would do. Yeah, I think so. It's going to look good. The green is a bit of mismatch, I think so, or the blue is just ruining it. Just trying to get the green a bit light, or just change the shade. I don't like the shade much. We have a yellow. I think so. Yellow is good. So you get a more intense yellow shade. I think yellow, blue, and red. These look good. Now you're gonna merge all of these layers. Right click, merge layers, and then just have this on. So that's all for today's video. If you like the video, make sure the bell icon, subscribe to the channel, and give this video big thumbs up.